This is the latest Tomica Premium Nissan Leopard, which is also a Takara Tomy Mall exclusive. I recently did an unboxing video on 50 of my Tomica Premium collection. The link is down below if you haven't watched it. There is various angles of the Nissan Leopard shown on the package. This Nissan Leopard also has another variation, which is a regular version released last year in gold. The rear of the car is painted and it comes with an opening door. For the front, it's quite detailed, but I'm very disappointed with the QC of this Tomica Premium, especially the access on the hood, which is an eyesore. Just like any other Tomica Premium, the wheel sets are plastic with added suspension. Overall, the Tomica Premium Nissan Leopard has the same color scheme as the TLV movie car series that appears in the Dangerous Detectives. Personally, I wish that the Tomica Premium will come with a siren in the investigator car theme. At the scale of 1:63, it is a tad bigger than the TLV movie car in true 1:64 scale. This is another variation of the movie car, although I have not watched the Dangerous Detectives. The regular version is also similar in TLV in terms of color scheme in gold, except that the TLV colors are much richer with added side mirrors, as well as much more details than the Tomica Premium series. And there is one unmarked car without the siren. In terms of finishing, the Tomica Premium and TLV are far apart. Thanks everyone, bye!